presentation of the deliverables that we are doing. Here, sir. So here, if you see, this is a monitor. Because this is a low resolution monitor, so otherwise if you see the pictures are very, very clear, automatically it flashes. You see the headlights are dimmed out because if there is glare in the human eye, there is glare in the camera also. So we have a technology which is called highlight compensation, where the bright lights are broken out and the high security number plate is illuminated using these very powerful infrared beams here. So that's it, and we wish Goa all the best in their endeavors in road safety. Really appreciate that, and we'll be at your service, sir, in the endeavors of reducing fatalities and accidents in your state of Goa. Thank you very much.
High fines are not a deterrent. लोक तो रस्त्यावर फास्ट वयता ते कशा कशे चलोवन एक्सिडेंट वाडला पण आमी आमचे जे प्रयत्न आसा एक्सिडेंट कमी करपाक वी डोंट वांट टू let our guard down and allow people to die. As I said, it really pains me even with a single death. And itle 251 already morok mulya and practically every day few accidents. If not death, they are maiming themselves or out of order for several months or sometimes years. This is a very unhappy picture. Taka lagun आज आमी 10 speed guns, laser track, advanced fully digital, portable, laser operated हे आमी स्पीड गन्स आमचे पुलिसे हँडओव्हर करता. हेजे आधी आमी 4 तांकां हँडओव्हर केल्ले. So now they are going to have 14 such speed guns where people driving rashly, negligently and at high speed, breaking the speed limit what is prescribed will be violators. They will be booked and they will have to face the music. Now having said this, आमी black spots जे identify केल्ले तेंचे भी it is a work in progress. Many places we have corrected it. It is the PWD doing this, but we are pressing for it because we have regularly had our road safety council meetings and we have been going ahead trying to improve that. Besides these speed cameras, तुमका already खबर आसा हांवें सांगिल्लें from 1st June the artificial intelligence used cameras which have been installed by the PWD again through our department. They have been the agencies or they selected the agencies which I want to make it clear, and there was some little hitch as far as the message junction is concerned. They said there was overflow of traffic, too much of traffic, it did not work. I think they have pulled up their socks already and I expect an improvement. So from first we will be making those cameras also operational. आता हिंगा डिफरन्स कितें युजिंग टेक्नॉलॉजी जे कोण वायलेटर्स आसा पहिले ते पोलिसे ब्लेम करताले आनी कोणा ब्लेम करताले आपण हेल्मेट हातीन धरून व्हरताले आनी आपण घातलेलो आसलेलो अशें जाताले. आता थिंगा फोटोग्राफ येतले एक्झॅक्ट इन सेकंड्स एट दॅट स्पॉट इफ यू क्रॉस द ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल कोण क्रॉस करून येयला कोण जम्प द क्यू or somebody not wearing a helmet. हे सगळे with photographic evidence येतले, including if necessary, as it has a range of 200 meters and at night time 100-meter range. These are very high resolution cameras and nobody can play the fool. So my earnest request to you, members of the press, to the public of Goa, I said, whatever the laws may be there, if you don't break them, why have you to get scared? तुम्हाला कसली भीती? हेल्मेट घायल्या कितली फायन असून किती फरक पडटा? सिग्नलाकडे उभे रावल्यार किती फरक पडटा?